Hello everyone. So today in this video we are going to write a Java program to generate prime numbers. So we will be giving a limit. So till that limit, whichever prime numbers are there, those numbers will be printed. So let us start our program. So our program always starts with the header files, that is import uh, java.io.star, and in this video we will be getting the input from a user, right? For that we will be writing one more import statement, import java dot utility dot scanner. Okay, next I'll be writing my public class, and I'll be writing the class name. So remember, our class name and our file name should be similar, and the first letter of the name should be capital. Okay, so next I'll be writing my main method in public access modifier, public static void main string args of. Next I'll be declaring some variables here, int n for the limit, I and j for my for loop, c for the count. So based on the count value we will be printing the numbers. Next I'll be creating an object here. So through that object, whatever input the user will give will be stored in the set variable. Okay, so scanner sc stands for scanner, and it's the name of my object, is equal to new scanner of system dot in. So using the system dot in console, whatever input will be given, that will be gone through the scanner object and it will be stored in the said variable. So next I'll be writing the print statement, that is system dot out dot print ln. I'll be writing enter the uh, limit. So whichever number you give here, till that number, whichever prime numbers are there, that will be printed. Now whatever input you have given, I'll store it in n variable using the object sc and in the integer data type. Yes, so now we have declared the variables which were required. I have even created, or we have even created the object using the scanner statement, and we have also printed the statement to enter the limit, and we have also read whatever the input has been given by the user, and we have stored it in the said variable, right? Next what I'll do is I'll write a for loop for I is equal to 2. Why I am starting the value of I from 2? Because 0 is a neutral number and 1 is not a prime number. We all know that, right? That's why I'll start extracting the numbers from 2. For I is equal to 2, I less than or equal to n I plus plus. Yes. So from the given uh, range, I have extracted the number 2. So what is a prime number? Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. So to divide the extracted number, I'll again write one more for loop and I'll extract numbers from 1 till itself. Okay, So to divide the extracted number, I'll extract one more number from 1 till itself, and in every iteration I'll check if I mod j is equal to 0, which means if the extracted number, that is initial value is 2, right, is whenever it is divided by the second extracted value, that is 1, whenever we divide those two, if the mod or the remainder is 0, what I'll do is I'll increment the value of counter with 1, right? So I'll close it here. Okay, so initial value of I is 2, so the condition is true, 2 is less than n. Say I have given n as 5. Okay, so 2 is less than 5, yes, condition true, it will come inside the loop, the control will come inside. So now I have extracted one more number here, 1, and I have kept it in the variable j. 1 is less than I, or 1 is less than 2, condition true, control will come inside and we will check whether 2 mod 1 is 0. Yes, 2 mod 1 is 0. So now what happens? I will increment the value of counter by 1. So the control will come back here again. J will be incremented to 2. Whether 2 is less than 2? No. But 2 is equal to 2. Yes, condition true. It will come inside. 2 mod 2 is equal to 0. Whether 2 is, whenever we divide 2 with 2, whether the remainder will be 0? Yes, condition true. So C value will be incremented. It was 1 initially, now it has become 2. Again the control will come here, J value becomes 3. Whether 3 is less than 2? No, condition false. Whether 3 is equal to 2? No, condition false. So the control will come outside this particular for loop. Yes, the control will come outside that particular for loop. So there I will check whether the value of C is 2. So a number which is divisible by 1 and itself, right? So I'll check whether the value of counter variable is 2 or not. If the counter variable is 2, what I'll do is I'll just print that particular number, right? So I plus, so if the number, whenever I divide from 1 to itself, it has, if it has been divided twice, not more than twice, or not more than, or not less than 2, right? If it has been divided only twice, then I'll print that particular number. Once that is printed, I'll make the value of counter variable to 0, right? Once that is done, what happens here is the control will come to this for loop. I will be incremented to 3. If the condition is true, it will come inside. Again J will extract 1. I'll divide 3 with 1, 3 with 2, and 3 with 3. If the counter variable, so value is 2, I will print that particular number. Once it is printed, I'll change the counter variable's value to 0 again, and then again the control will come here unless and until this condition becomes false, right? Next, let us store the program, and I will go to the command prompt. As you can see here, I'll change my directory to cd desktop because I have stored my file on the desktop, cd desktop. Then I will compile the file using the command java c, that stands for java compile, and the file name prime.java. If I have any errors, it will be displayed. So we don't have any errors here. Then I will run the file using the command java and the class name java prime. Enter the limit. I'll enter 10. So whenever I press enter, you can see the prime numbers from 1 to 10, 2, 3, 5 and 7. 4 numbers have been printed, right? I hope you guys have understood the program. Thank you.